Hi beauties, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I have to be honest, I have really struggled today. This COVID-19 situation is really taking its toll on me, and I am trying to stay positive, but it's getting hard. And to be honest, I didn't really want to film today, but making these videos always makes me feel better. So that is why I'm filming today. So anywho, enough of the rant situation. If you guys are new here and you would love to become part of our beauty family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and you'll become a part of our family. And if you would like to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos, just hit that notification bell. I am on a schedule of a video every week on Fridays at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, but that notification bell is always really nice to just notify you when I have something new. But today what we're gonna do is open the Ipsy Glam Bag for April. So I feel like it shipped pretty late, which I'm not surprised, honestly, with the current situation. I feel like packages are taking a lot longer to arrive just because people are ordering more online. So not a huge deal. I am glad that I did get it in the mail. So we are going to go ahead and open this one up. So if you guys aren't familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. So you receive it every month, and there are 3 different versions of Ipsy. So there is the Ipsy Glam Bag, which I'm opening up today. And then there's the Ultimate, and then there's a 3rd level, which I can't, it might be Glam Bag Plus, and then the Ultimate. I think that's what it is. So we are just opening up the basic version, and that goes for about $10 to $12 a month. It really just depends on what kind of subscription you have and when you purchased it. That's why I say $10 to $12, because it depends on when you got the subscription. But if you are interested in receiving an Ipsy Glam Bag after watching this video, just follow the link in my description. Let's go ahead and get on into the bag. Honestly, not my favorite. I don't really like this type of aesthetic. I'm more of like the pastels or like neon colors. This is like an okay like color. It's an okay design. I'm not a fan of this wooden ring. It's just kind of like okay. But we did receive something outside of our bag, so I'll show that to you guys first. All right, so first we have a Luxie brush. This is their 209 large shader. So this is going to be perfect for the lid area. So pretty soft, very fluffy. I do really like Luxie brushes, so this will be fun to try out. Next up, we have a nail polish. So this is by Helios. Never heard of this nail polish brand, but this is in the shade Livin Lovely. So this says this is a smart nail polish. Comes with a photo initiator for a gel-like look and long wear time. This formula cures in natural light with no need for a UV or LED lamp. So that's pretty cool. I've never really heard of a nail polish doing that without like a lamp. Oh, this is a really pretty color. So I love purple. That's one of my favorite colors. And this is a nice kind of package. Huge fan of that. No, I like the packaging. So actually before this whole quarantine situation, I would paint my nails every Sunday night, every Sunday. And I would put on a face mask, I would do my nails, and it was just a kind of like spa wind down time to get ready for the week. And it's not something that I've been doing during this quarantine time. And I think it's just because like, I'm just not motivated and I feel like there's no point. All right, so next up we have a, looks like a mask. So this is by Use to the People. This is their Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it, and this is an overnight mask, which is really nice. I do really like overnight masks. I actually just used one last night, so I washed it off this morning. It was a watermelon one by Glow Recipe, and that one is really hydrating. Cute, it's yellow. That's really fun. Let me see if it smells good. It has a pretty interesting smell. It's like a light smell. There's not really like a ton scent-wise going on there, which is fine by me, honestly, not a huge deal. Youth to the People is a very expensive brand. It's a very nice brand. So this is actually the first product of theirs that I've tried. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I'll let you guys know how it works for me. Next up, we have a scrub by Christophe. I was about to say Christopher Robin, like Winnie the Pooh. This is by Christophe Robin. This is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. Ooh, so that's the inside of it. It does smell very, very nice. Ooh, and the texture is nice. Oh, I really like this. So this is really, really nice. So this is actually for your hair. So you're supposed to apply on wet hair, massage it onto the scalp, lather, and then rinse. You can also use it on your links and ends for a nourishing treatment. This is actually shampoo. This is like mind-blowing. This is a shampoo. What? I've tried scalp scrubs before, but I've never tried a scrub shampoo. But this is really neat. I'm really excited about this. I really like the scrubs for your scalp because I feel like it gets all the gunk out, and it really allows your scalp to breathe, your hair to breathe. It gets all of that gunk out so that your roots can actually continue growing. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Last up, we have, I think it's a lipstick. I feel like the lipsticks are never like labeled great. Okay, so this is by Lovecraft, and this is in Fausta. F-A-U-S-T-A. Interesting. Okay, and this is the color. So it's actually a really nice color. I'm a fan of this. Let me just swatch it on my hand. Ooh, it is very creamy. I'm a fan of this. I'm actually gonna go ahead and play it on. This is it on. I really like the color. However, it does have that lipstick smell. It's like that old lady plastic smell. Like play makeup, it's almost like that level. It's weird. It's a very plastic smell. Not a huge fan of that part, but it is a really pretty color. Honestly, we'll probably put like a gloss or something over it so I don't have to smell the smell. I know that's kind of weird, but just, I don't know, just not feeling this too much. It's pretty, but not like 100% my favorite. Okay, so let's go ahead and go through the card. So you always do get a card every month telling you what is in your bag. So this month's theme is Full Bloom. I'm gonna go through the pricing for each of the products. So the first is the Helios Livin Lovely Nail Polish. This retails for $12.50, and so this is actually the full size. All right, and next up is the Youth to the People Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So this is considered a deluxe sample, and the full size version of this product is $48. It is very expensive, but that's why it is really nice to subscribe to Ipsy, because you're able to actually try out these products and see if they may be a good fit for you before actually, you know, spending the full amount to get the full size product. Okay, and next is the Christophe Robin Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt, and this retails for $53, and this is a deluxe sample. So I don't know, I feel like that's kind of expensive, but I do think that this will go a long way. Like, this sample size is really good for the deluxe size, and I feel like this will give you a, you know, good feel for if you like the product. Honestly, will last a while. Next is the Lovecraft Beauty Lipstick in Fausta, and this is considered a deluxe sample. So this seems like a full size, but I mean, that's kind of cool, I guess. So the full size product is $22. So I personally think that that is very expensive. The feel of this lipstick and the smell and just the packaging, and I think $22 is kind of ridiculous for this type of lipstick. So $22 for me for a lipstick would be like Kat Von D or something. So yeah, not a huge fan of this one. Last but not least is that Luxie Large Shader Tan Brush in 209. And this is the full size, and it retails for $12, which I think is definitely reasonable for a makeup brush. Okay guys, that was everything today. I am not going to try on the products today because I didn't really get anything that I can try on. It was definitely more like skincare based this time. And for Ipsy, you are able to put on your profile what you want to receive, your color scheme, what color your hair is, all of that fun stuff. So they do customize your bag and send you products based on your profile. So you are able to rate all of the products after using them, and then you get points, and then you can use those points to purchase products. I really like Ipsy a lot. I think it is a great company. I really enjoy the bags every month. However, I think this bag honestly wasn't my favorite. I would say my favorite product would have to be this scrub, just because I know I really do like scalp scrubs, and the last time I used a scrub was a sample from Ipsy. It was the Way brand, and I really enjoyed that, and it lasted me a long time. And that sample was like baby. It was very small, and it lasted me a while because I just used it on my scalp and I didn't use it every day. So, and it smells really nice. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I would say my least favorite product, probably already know, is the lipstick. Like, at first I thought it was like okay, but with the price, the packaging, and the scent of this, it's just not worth it to me. Like, I wouldn't recommend going out and buying this for $22. So yeah, I would have to say this bag was not my favorite this month. I feel like it is very springy. You know, the nail polish, it's a purple color, springtime. I feel like springtime is a good time to start like up a skincare routine. So, I mean, I do appreciate the products and the thought behind it, but I feel like the products and the overall bag just kind of fall short for me. What do you guys think? Do you subscribe to Ipsy? If so, what did you receive this month? I would love to hear what you guys received. But I do want to let you guys know that I am going to be starting a new unboxing on my channel. We're actually just going to be trying it out, but I'm going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm box. BoxyCharm is another beauty subscription service, and I have heard so many good things about it, and I really wanted to try it out. So I'm really excited to unbox that for you guys. Let me know if you guys subscribe to BoxyCharm. If so, what are your thoughts on it? But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye!